So, a few months after Google introduced the Pixel 9 series, attention has already shifted to its anticipated successor, the Pixel 10 series. Rumors and leaks surrounding the upcoming Pixel models have emerged, including the codenames for each device in the series. The Pixel 10 itself is said to be codenamed Frankel, with additional names for other potential models suggesting that Google will continue with the multi-device approach introduced with the Pixel 9 lineup. According to an Android Headlines report, the Pixel 10 series might feature 4 models: Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold, codenamed Frankel, Blazer, Mustang, and Rango, respectively. This development indicates that Google is likely planning to release another foldable smartphone in its Pixel lineup. Building on these rumors, another leak highlighted a codename for the Pixel 9a Tegu, positioning it as the next smartphone in Google's pipeline. As the next step in the Pixel family, the Pixel 9a would join the recently released Pixel 9 series and offer consumers a budget-friendly option with core Pixel features. Adding intrigue to the Pixel 10 series is the reported development of Google's in-house Tensor G5 chip, set to power the upcoming models. Previous Tensor processors relied on Samsung's Exynos architecture, but the Tensor G5 is rumored to be Google's first fully in-house design. A recent report suggests that the G5 has reached the tape-out stage, meaning the chip's design is complete and ready for production and testing at a foundry. This marks a milestone in Google's move toward more vertically integrated hardware. The Tensor G5 is also expected to be manufactured using TSMC's advanced 3nm N3E technology, a simplified process over the initial N3B node, likely enhancing both performance and power efficiency. The combination of fresh designs, potential new models like the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and advanced in-house hardware development with the Tensor G5 chip indicates that Google is poised to deliver significant improvements in its next flagship lineup. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.